evening there.
Hey, what's your first name?
My name is Ken Pearson.
Okay, Ken. What did I tell you to get you into the sauna?
You told me that you would relieve my pain, and I didn't quite believe you. But I have to say, after sitting in this, I have had a hip replacement and 2 back surgeries going back to 2001, and I am so impressed with the healing that I just felt coming out of there. I can't believe it. I really can't. I mean, people say things a lot, but you always find out that it doesn't really do what they say it's going to do.
Yeah.
There is such a transformation coming out of there. I'm going to get me one of these machines. There's no doubt. And I'm sold.
I gave you a double dose.
You gave me a double dose. I asked for it, and it felt so good. The second dose definitely did another layer. But I'm amazed. I cannot. I'm in pain all the time, and right now I have at least 80% pain release, and I'm going to come back tomorrow actually and try this again if it's okay.
Yeah. If you go in for 7 minutes, 7 more minutes,
unbelievable.
It'll be the rest of it'll be gone.
I feel like if I did this a couple times, just a handful of times, it would be like a night and day difference, and maybe keep me from doing surgery. So I'm definitely going to get me one of these because I do not want to do surgery. I don't know about you, but trust me, surgery's no fun. We can heal ourselves, but sometimes we need a little help.
Yeah.
And I believe that's exactly what we get from this machine. It adds that healing element that we want, and so we bring it in. I had to invite it in, but I could feel it. You feel it instantly. Within 3 minutes to 4 minutes, I felt something different happening, no doubt about it. I've had multitudes of these infrared stimulators. I had bought a photon machine back in the 2000s. It was $5,000, and they did nothing like these machines do, which are a fraction of what I paid for a medical grade infrared stimulator. So I'm definitely sold on this.
And what machine are you talking about?
It's called an infrared stimulator. It's a medical grade.
Yeah.
It's on the internet. You can find it as an infrared stimulator. It's very popular. They call it. It's a photon with infrared light that shoots in. It's got heat that puts on you. And it's supposed to produce rapid healing to make your red blood cells, stimulate your red blood cells. But there's no comparison. So you put it on a knee. It's supposed to help promote healing when you have surgery and potentially heal you if you're in acute pain. I tried it for the pain, did not work. So then I used it for the healing on my surgery, and I really couldn't tell you much. But I can tell you this much: once you get in one of these machines and you step out, you're going to know right then something just happened.
And what is this machine that you're talking about right now?
I am talking the Relax Elite, the Relax Sauna.
The Relax Sauna.
The Relax Sauna is a machine that I am sold on. That's brought me to a lot of comfort right now, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow and do it again. But I have to tell you, I'm amazed. I walked in, I sat down, and I was in a lot of pain, and I came out, and 90% of my pain is gone. It isn't, that I don't know where you can go, what you can find to do that after sitting down for 15 minutes. It's just not possible.
Yeah.
So I am truly impressed.
It's going to happen in 10 minutes?
What's that?
You're going to say 100% of your pain is gone?
Yeah, the relax. I can feel it. It's really interesting.
It is getting better because you said 80%, now it's 90%.
Like it's now coming. It's still going.
Yes.
It's not stopped. I didn't get out and feel like, oh, okay, that's done.
Yeah.
I'm out, and I can still feel it working, even on my lower back. I'm amazed. I'm very grateful. I'm very for your Relax Sauna is quite an invention.
Yeah.
I would encourage many. I've tried every device, and I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on those healing modalities, and I've never come across something like this. Maybe it's technology, I don't know, but they have their own technology, and this is something very special. I don't care what you think it looks like. I'm going to tell you right now. I've been in the most expensive saunas you can get in, and it does not. I can't even compare it. First of all, it takes a long time for those saunas to warm up.
Yes.
Second of all, if you're not in them in the steaming heat, they don't really feel that good. And the minute you get out, you don't feel as good as you did when you were in it.
Yeah.
This one, I'm feeling better from the life sauna than I am getting out of it than I was in it. Even though as I was in it, I started feeling how loose I got, how comfortable I was, how much better I felt. So thank you guys very much for that life sauna.
You like the Relax Sauna?
Relax sauna, excuse me. I'm calling it a life sauna because
it gives you life.
Relax sauna, but to me it's like a life sauna. I'm telling you, I can, as I'm talking right now and doing this interview, I can feel it healing while I'm completely out of it. So I'll come back tomorrow and let you know more and finish up this testimonial for tomorrow.
And the website is Relax Saunas with an S, relaxsaunas.com.
RelaxSaunas.com. I have tried every modality. I'm encouraging you to take a look. Just give yourself 15 minutes in it, and trust me, you'll be a believer like I am.
And your name is Kevin.
Ken Pearson.
Ken Pearson.
Yes.
Ken, thank you. You're wonderful. I really appreciate you sharing your experiences.
Yep, Relax Saunas, way to go, baby. Don't even second guess.
And tomorrow's going to be better.
I'm gonna come back and see you tomorrow to give another testimony and tell you how I felt after sleeping tonight.
That's
and
right.
I plan on getting back in the sauna too.
Hey, Ken, thanks so much.
All right, buddy.
Yeah.